Kishore has already summited Mount Ararat. Look, he's up there. What an achievement. Well done, Bachcha. Shadow of the mountain of Mount Ararat. Right there. Oh my God. It's just so stunning on the horizon. My God, it's so freezing cold. Waters are all frozen, so it's just stunning. But the terrain is just the opposite. Very, very, very challenging. We have reached Indir and now driving towards Mount Ararat. Here is the atmosphere for some belly dancing. Come on guys, show me some moves. Yeah, that's it, that's it. Come on Kishore, get your belly out, man. Belly out. Yeah. Woo. We are having our celebratory dinner with Mustafa and the guide and everybody else here. And Mustafa is going to tell us very kindly about the story behind Ararat and Noah's Ark.
For all religions, Muslim, Christian, Buddhist, and Catholic, Orthodox, everybody believe about the story to Noah's Ark story. They believe this landing in the Ararat Ark. I hope you are the first. Fine.
I think Master Captain Karthik will, huh?
Yeah. You see any boat? Tell us.
If you see a boat, we will sail through all the way down.
Yeah.
We're all set to leave for the trek. How's the Josh, boys? Yay! So we're going to start our trek today. Do Piazza.
ट्रैक का स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट जा रहा है. अभी एल्टीट्यूड है
1505
मीटर्स.
Okay.
और स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट 500 मीटर है एक्स्ट्रा.
Okay. So 2000 मीटर. 2200 मीटर से शुरू करेंगे. Okay.
2200 मीटर्स हम रखेंगे 3200 मीटर्स.
We are here at the mountain base. We are starting our trek today. We are at 2200 meters and we're going to go to camp number 1, which is at 3200. Is that right? Yes. So is everybody all set? All
Yes!
set? Yeah, Mount Ararat, here we come. Ringmaster Kishore. And we are on the adventure to find Noah's Ark. I've got the book. I know all the secret places to look out for. The flood happened. Noah was feeling very cold. And look what he did. He put a bonfire here to keep everybody warm.
Summiters. The first most advanced summiter is Kamal. And the next big summiter is Ranger Rajiv. Worst fellow. Rama once every 6 months. Salem. And he summits only in Salem. Today he summited.
With his horses taking our luggage up to the camp 1. Shukran Habibi. Alam, thank you so much. Awesome. Hi horsey. Thank you man, and look at the scene behind us. That's very beautiful. Wow, that's so beautiful. Bye bye. Yalla. That's where we are headed to. On a break with a very interesting corollary concept.
You have to say why one gastrocnemius muscle is bigger than the other in a person who runs long distance marathon.
Let me show you the example.
So, while I walk,
So Rama's right gastrocnemius is bigger than his left.
yes.
And the reason for that,
Our theory is
that is dangerous.
so something in between his legs.
He's counterbalancing.
Yes, on the right side is more heavy compared to the left. So it is compensating.
Yeah. Here we are, up on the mountain, and on the left, just across the stone borders, Iran. And here is Dogu Bayazis, where we came from. And there we go all the way up. Mountain, Captain Karthik in full form. We reached Camp 1, 3,200 meters, day 1 of trek. Incredible journey. What was it like?
It's been fantastic, amazing. You cannot beat this experience.
It was hard, man.
Verma, the blogger.
Vlogger.
Blogging and blogging.
clogging
beat
and
him.
clogging.
He attracts crowd like anything. You can't beat him.
There you go, guys.
man.
Look at the camp. Our little tent camp where we have some yummy, delicious snacks waiting for us. Can't wait. Mwah. Looks pretty good. It's like having a mattress. Look, nice little mattress with a bed and a cot in the tent. Might be freezing in the night, but still good. And the view outside is obviously next to nothing. We just have to stretch our legs a bit. Starting day 2 of the trek with the freaking useless bunch. I'm fed up, sick and tired.
Karthik will
Going
now say the
with all
correct
this.
thing.
Now he will talk in Hindi, which is more treacherous than trekking.
हम अभी 3,500 मीटर्स में है और इधर से 4,100 मीटर तक
जाएंगे,
उधर
acclimatize करेंगे,
रेस्ट के बाद हम
वापस
इधर वापस
नीचे
आएंगे.
And I wish at 4,100 all his Hindi memory cells go completely past. Sick and tired.
Actually, we're going to leave Sandesh behind.
आज we
Sandesh is going to learn Turkish all day today.
There
He's
is
going to
no
be a
dawn
Turkish
after
champ.
the night.
Look after, man. Take care. See you. All the best. तू हाँ कर या ना कर, तू हाँ कर या ना कर, तू है मेरा किशोर. We've reached 4,000 meters.
Horses have
Acclimatization.
gone up, dogs have gone up.
Dogs, horses have
Everything has gone
overtaken
up
us.
other than us.
But we are above the clouds. You can see the clouds, which is at our level and below our level, which is great. It's been a tough climb, very steep, rocky, slithery and slippery, and a bit more to go. Going down back to Camp 1 is no cup of cake, is it?
No, not at all.
More treacherous than going up.
Treacherous, and our knees are already killing. And the painful bit is we come back all over again and then go back all over down again. Bugger. We have reached our Camp 1 after a grueling, very shitty day.
And I hate Amit Verma to the bottom of my heart. Absolute shit.
Absolute
Not
miserable
doing
day.
his due diligence. And he screwed us.
Oh my god. What a slippery, pebbly
The interesting
slope.
thing is we have to do this again tomorrow.
Yeah, we have to go all the way up again. And after the summit, come back all the way again. And we are really not looking forward to that.
Bye bye.
That's the camp behind us.
Good evening. This is Camp 1. Evening dinner being served. Looks yummy. Dal soup. To start with, lovely vegetarian pasta with some beans and tomatoes. Not bad. Awaiting the non-veg part. All in all, a really good day and a good dinner awaited.
Day 3 today. Going to 4200 up out there. And then we're going to rest before we start the summit climb.
No Josh. No Josh.
Full Josh! Full Josh! Full Josh! Full Josh!
As usual, Amit is very late today and he's going to get a beating from all of
Rick has
us.
been packing all morning.
He's packing like this.
Chatting, I mean to say. 1.5 hours in the tent of no use. In the end, he turns up late. Despite
Okay.
all best
Not the
efforts.
first time though.
Despite all of that, we
Thank
still
you.
We have got Josh!
No Josh.
How's the Josh?
Zero.
I like to be the last call in every flight. Buses have dropped our luggage and are coming back down to pick someone else's perhaps. Must zoom, 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 they're going down. Huh? There's a very pleasant elderly couple in the group just behind us. And that probably motivates us that if they can do it, we should definitely get inspired to do it. Look at how this
Not denying it.
peanut packet has blown up with altitude.
Hey, tell me, man.
The only reason we haven't blown up with altitude is because of acetazolamide. Thank you, mate. We've reached Camp 2, the base camp of Ararat after a very grueling hike for the second time.
And we will come back tomorrow as well.
After we go up.
Because we love Camp 2.
And if you want, we can do that again one more time. And keep doing
Until we become professional guides.
Camp 2 to Camp 1, Camp 1 to Camp 2, Camp 1. I have a new proposal. Last day the trek is too easy. So let's come up to Camp 2 and then go over there.
Captain Karthik will lead the way. Kishore and Rama will follow suit. But hey, that's where we've come from.
Show the destination.
And That's where we need to go.
Very green
Up
scenic
there.
mountains.
It's going to be tricky, difficult, but then we are here for that, right? To show this little toilet. It's kind of sitting on the edge and it's quite windy. I wonder what happens if there is a gust of wind and we just get blown away right to the bottom of it. So who dares to go and sit in that? Yeah, 2 a.m. So we're all ready for our summit hike. So all the best to all of us.
Thank you.
It's going to be miserable and cold, but that's where we are headed to. So we're taking a break in the middle of the night. Kumar's water is frozen. It's ice rock, and we are finding ways to make it water again before the sun comes out. The rest are all knackered. The only positive aspect is the moonlight behind us. It looks beautiful, nice and full moon. Apart from that, what lag rahi hai? Got daylight. It's 4,650 meters apparently, and that's the dawn there. Sun rising just behind on the other side, near Armenia. So we'll have to summit to see it. It takes the toughest of the toughest to conquer this mountain, but we'll try and make it. Shadow of the mountain of Mount Ararat, right there. Oh my god, it's just so stunning on the horizon. My god, it's so freezing cold. It's ice and snow everywhere. And the waters are all frozen, so we don't have to break. We might have to just break some ice and eat it. And some ancient bacteria. Let's see what happens. Maybe we find those bacteria. But the scenery here is just stunning. But the terrain is just the opposite. Very, very, very challenging. Really tough. And that's Mehmet, our guide. Amazing guy. Thank you, Mehmet. Still far away from the peak. But, oh, look at the snow. Soon we're going to start wearing crampons because we've been treading in the snow for a bit. And it's a lot of snow. Very beautiful. Very, very cold. Ooh, fatri. We are at the last bit of the summit. This is the base of the summit hike. So we're gonna get our crampons on because we are now, guess what? Standing on a glacier. Ooh, there was like raw ice, quite slippery where we were a bit behind us. This is all fresh snow from the last couple of days. This is all a glacier. Ooh, I'm so excited. This is so cool. And that is the peak of Mount Ararat. And we're going to summit it. Crampons on. Ararat we come. Kumar is flying. Here we go. Look at the excitement. Achicho. He can't stand. Oh, freezing. Oh, bloody hell. We have reached the peak of Mount Ararat. Finally made it after an arduous journey. Really difficult and challenging. But the last bit was fun and enjoyable, right? With the crampons and the snow and best part of the trip. Walking on the glacier. What was it like, man?
Excellent, amazing. The last bit was amazing scenery.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Mohammed, our guide.
Thank you, Mehmet. Thank you so much. Rajiv, how was your experience, buddy?
Good. It was tough, but it was good.
Yeah.
We did it.
No doubt about that. So here we are. We've conquered Mount Ararat on the peak. And it's so beautiful. Wow. Just looking like a wow. Beautiful. Vande Mataram! So we are on the peak of Mount Ararat in Turkey. And here we are, so proud to hoist our international flag. Yo! Go Bharat, go Hindustan, go India! Jana Gana Mana Adinayak Jaya Hai Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे. I dedicate this conquering Mount Ararat challenging journey to my parents, to my family, my friends, all our well-wishers, all our friends who've all helped us through our journeys. Thank you so much. Last but not the least, thank you for those who have donated for the noble cause of breast cancer charity. Those who haven't donated yet, please still click on the donate button and keep donating. Thank you. Bye bye. We've just summited Mount Ararat, and this bit coming down on your crampons has been an amazing experience. But more importantly, guess what? We are standing now on a glacier. Look at this. This is solid ice. It is cracking. I don't want to go down under. It's cracking ice. Anybody fancy a swim below the ice into the glacier? Karthikeyan, are you being brave enough?
Yeah, but not crazy enough like Amit.
Fucker. This is crazy, man. This is seriously crazy. So we're actually standing on a glacier. Oh man, this is amazing. This is so cool.
We did a great job today. We've been trekking non-stop for 14 hours. And we have 1 more hour to go. We went from 4,200 all the way to 5,150. The snow-packed peak of Mount Ararat. From there we came down to 4,200. And now we are on the way to Camp 1, which is a 3-2.
On Camp 1, on the way, when encountering the snowstorm. You can see it's all cloudy and there is snowflakes all over, getting heavy at times. It's going to be crazy. The horses are running away with our baggage. As always, very cloudy. It gets very heavy. This trek has given us everything. Yeah, a treacherous journey, snow and the
Now
glaciers.
hailstorm, thunder and
Yeah,
hailstorm now.
snowflakes and thunder.
The
and
last
hailstorm.
spot of the trek for today.
Look at this. Wow. It's all hailstorm all over the place, thunder. There's a lot of gusts of winds and deep clouds. Ooh, crazy days, man. Are we going to reach in time? I don't know.
Of course,
Let's hope for it.
we are professionals. We'll reach on time.
I love the optimism, Karthik. Adios, amigo. As we come to the end of our trek, going down from Camp 1 to base, it's been an incredible, tough, challenging journey. Thoughts on the journey?
It was an amazing trek. The best ever. The best ever we have done. Especially the summit was like a. And
Yeah.
you can't have this. It's out of the world.
I agree with the summit part. Summit was absolutely astounding. But the rest of it was bloody hell. Right, Kishora.
Thank you very much for letting me not summit.
Nah, safety is paramount, man. Goes without saying. Dosti Rama.
Enjoyed the company. Boring place from day one to the end. Looking forward to going down. Horrible place.
Sounds good. Company is what matters. Rajiv. Ranger Rajiv.
It was a different trek, but summit was amazing.
Kumara.
Raju is our hero.
Kumara.
Yeah, same thoughts.
Same thoughts, huh?
Yeah.
We had so many different thoughts.
Sandesh.
Rajiv thoughts.
The boy
You
who
had
came
a
with the
fantastic
fever,
time in Camp 1 all the time. Relaxed, enjoyed nature.
maximum
Huh?
enjoyment
Full on, huh?
with minimal hassle. Sandesh Kamath.
Right, so adios, guys. Thank you very much. Let's go. Bye bye, Ararat. As we come down from the trek, from the mountain in Ararat, multiple thoughts go through our minds. Think of lots of things. We could have spent a week, I don't know, sitting, watching Netflix and relaxing at home. But then we chose to do this. They say as you go through some very tough terrain, some tough treks, some tough places and challenging decisions to make when you go on such kind of artist journeys, it makes it a little bit easier, relatively easier to make some not very tough but tough decisions, if you know what I mean. If you respect the mountain respects you. Nature is beautiful, it welcomes you with open arms. It's absolutely astounding, really beautiful. And I would recommend all of you to try and do something like this every so often. It helps to detoxify, It helps you be a part of nature. So with that thought, adios amigo.